Hi, welcome to SoJooCars. Please do me a favor by clicking the like, subscribe and notification bell for more content. Thank you. In this video, I have summarized what I like, dislike, don't know, and want from the 2020 Nissan Terra 4x4 VL. 2020 Nissan Terra 4x4 VL is like a super meal A, B, C of Jollibee combined. Seriously, just by reading the list of features, it can last more than 2 minutes. Having plenty of features doesn't always mean that a certain car is better, but for us, it felt like they were the return of investment. And who do not like investments returned in revenue? It seems that I may have placed too much weight on the positive sides about the Terra in this channel. As we all have to understand, there is no perfect car. Just like a parent who loves their child unconditionally, we also might have behaved the same way to our cars. Enough with my bedtime stories and let us cut to the chase. Here's what I like about the 2020 Nissan Terra 4x4 VL. 360 camera all-around view with moving object detection, leather seats or gravity seats, noise-reducing acoustic glass, the windows, air-conditioned performance, how cold it is, torque in higher gears, ride comfort due to the coil springs, very spacious cabin, one-touch remote fold and tumble seats function, daytime running lights, LED styled LED position lamp with auto on and off and follow me home functions, the cruise control, the intelligent rear view mirror with smart adjustable settings, blind spot warning on the side mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, 6 XRS airbags, driver and passenger side and curtain shield, two-tone alloy wheels, headrests for the driver and passenger, they are so soft, 8-way adjustable powered seat for the driver, push start button, smart keyless entry, smart key fob, the instrument cluster with the nice LCD, the backup camera with guided lines, front camera with guided lines, master light button, lane departure warning, power folding side mirrors, floor ambient lights, sun visors with vanity mirror and light, lunar metallic gray color for the body, and air-conditioned vent location. Here's my list of dislikes. First is air condition control. The air recirculation turns off almost every time the air condition or the engine is turned on and off. Here in the Philippines, air recirculation is a must since the emission coming from all jeepneys, all armored trucks, almost all buses, and many private vehicles is a big problem. Second is the 11-inch second row monitor. Thanks to the head unit update for the 2020 variant for driver safety, the 11-inch second row display is quite difficult to operate and make changes to it since the input itself is located on the third row. Also, Nissan tried to sell Google Chromecast, but making it look very simple to operate, which was not. You can check out my other video on how to make it work. Third are the window buttons. The window buttons look really outdated and cheap, especially having no accent just like the Nissan Patrol, but they function well. The fourth is the bloated hood. Because the hood is bloated, when you're driving, you have difficult time seeing the front of the vehicle. Fifth is the engine noise. The engine is quite noisy and you can actually hear it very loud inside the cabin. Here are the functions that I don't really use or I don't really feel that they are there. First is downhill assist. Second is hill start assist. Fourth is 4-wheel drive system, which I have not tried using it on a real trail yet. Fourth is rear differential lock, which I didn't use also. Fifth is headlight leveling. I just use it for fun because it looks cool just moving up and down. Next is vehicle dynamic control with BLSD. I don't feel it, but I know it's there. Next is anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution and brake assist. Next is what I wish the 2020 or 2021 Nissan Terra had. First is adaptive cruise control from Mitsubishi Montero. Second is auto brake hold, which also is present in Mitsubishi Montero. Third is rear disc brakes because it makes the car look more cool. Fourth is hood dampers for soft closing, which I have installed aftermarket. Here I shared my list of what I like, what I don't like, what I wish it had, and what I don't really feel or don't know that it's there or have never used. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know you guys are not so happy with what I've said, but just like what I said, everyone's different. So if you think that you have some other ideas, what you like, what you don't like, or what you wish you had in the Terra, please don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and also the notification bell. This was SoJooCars. I will see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you everybody. May your dreams come true.